Winter is knocking on the door, and it's time to step up your lip care routine. No one wants dry, chapped lips, especially in the upcoming cold weather. As much as you focus on your hair and skincare routine during winter, your lips should be given the same amount of attention as well. Or else, you'll have to walk around with painfully chapped lips throughout these months. Also, as a matter of fact, our lips need care every day, as they are an important part of our beauty, and healthy lips can enhance your confidence in a way you never imagined. So in today's video, we came with the 5 best lip masks, which will keep your lips moisturized throughout the winter as well as any time of the year. Let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Plump and hydrate your lips while providing deep moisturizing benefits with the Adofect Collagen Crystal Lip Masks. These lip masks contain the goodness of many useful ingredients, which helps in treating dry and chapped lips. These masks are also great for reducing fine lines and aging signs, which make your lips look dull. The lip mask gradually dissolves under body temperature and permeates quickly into the skin. It makes your lips smooth and firm and increase skin elasticity. The gel mouth and lips age-defying mask is ideal for firming the affected area caused by excessive dryness or thin skin. The pink mouth and lip plumper patch is a lip treatment, which is clinically tested by dermatologists. These masks improve lip dryness. You can put them on before going to bed, use them for pre-makeup care and daily lip care as well. This product is non-irritating and fragrance and paraben-free. Each package includes 30-pack collagen lip mask. The Adofect Collagen Crystal Lip Masks has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. The reviews say it all. These lip masks make your lips soft. They also hydrate your lips and make them smooth. But some users didn't notice any difference after using the product. Let's check out the ratings for this lip mask. If you want to achieve the perfect pout for your photos, then the Handmade Heroes Cocolicious Luscious Lip Mask might be a great choice for you. This lip mask contains cocoa butter, mango butter, coconut, avocado oil, and jojoba oil, which helps to moisturize and soften your lips perfectly. It also strengthens your lip skin with the goodness of vitamin E. The lip mask helps to form a protective barrier over skin to lock in moisture. It protects and soothes your skin while you sleep, so that you can get moisturized lips in the morning. Its great formula heals chapped and delicate lips as well. It has an extra creamy and thick texture. The product contains 100% natural plant-based and vegan ingredients, and it's cruelty-free as well. The Handmade Heroes Cocolicious Luscious Lip Mask has gained quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. Users love this product as it stays on your lips throughout the night and provides you with soft, smooth lips. But some of the users said that the outcomes did not meet their expectations. It's time to rate this lip mask. Korean beauty products are always in the trend, and they have earned massive popularity among users around the world. The Caramel Berry Lip Mask is a Korean cosmetic lip mask which will take care of your lips with its great formula. It comes with the goodness of berry mix complex and vitamin C, which targets your dry and cracked lips and heals and treats them perfectly. The antioxidant-rich berry extract, macadamia seeds, and olive oil makes your lip dewy, smooth, and stronger. Its effective formula melts away dead skin to give you hydrated, silky smooth lips. The mask also provides gentle exfoliation, moisture, and nutrition to your lips. It's a great product for dry and chapped lips. This lip mask provides moisture deep into chapped lips during sleep, and you get smooth and supple lips in the morning. This product has a non-sticky formula and it has a mild berry fragrance that doesn't overpower, and the mood-enhancing fruity aroma lasts till morning. This berry lip night mask has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon from its users. According to the reviews, this lip mask hydrates your lips and provides softness. It also adds shine and keeps your lips moist, but some of the users complained that the product didn't work on their lips. Time to check out the ratings. Take care of your lips with the goodness of green tea extract with the Matcha Moisturizing Lip Mask from Once Upon a Tea, which will give you flake-free lips in no time. It comes with the goodness of green tea extract, coconut oil, vitamin E, and Copernicea cerifia wax. These ingredients work together to condition and moisturize your lips while removing dryness. This lip mask rejuvenates your lips while you sleep. It moisturizes all night to give you healthy and succulent results. The lip mask locks in moisture and provides hydration and protection. Its unique formula requires only a small amount to be applied to protect and moisturize your lips all night. It heals cracked and damaged lips efficiently and doesn't contain any overwhelming odor and taste. The product comes with a highly practical lip brush for easier application. This Matcha Moisturizing Lip Mask is quite popular among its users, and it earned quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. After going through the reviews, users love the product as it makes lips smooth and soft. It also takes care of dry lips and gives you a youthful appearance, but some of them said that they were not satisfied with the result. Time to check out the ratings. Our best pick for today's videos is the Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask from Laneige, which promises to take care of your dry lips while exfoliating. It has berry extracts, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which helps make your dry lips smooth and settled. The patented moisture technology of this lip mask provides deep hydration to your lips, which can last up to 8 hours. This lip sleeping mask softly adheres to a sticky form. Its unique formula melts the stubborn dead skin cells off your lips and provides moisture effectively. This lip mask comes in 4 different colors and scents. It eliminates dry skin and keeps your lips smooth and elastic. The Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask is a great product which has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this lip mask makes your lips feel hydrated, gives them a smooth appearance, and it feels weightless. But some users complain that the product received from Amazon was not original. It's time to rate this lip mask. So those were our top 5 lip masks. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.